Hello and welcome to today's video where we will be answering the question, what can you use a VPN for? We're going to cover some lesser known ways that a VPN can help you out, and be sure to stick around to the end of the video where we will be recommending our favorite VPNs and show you how you can get a discount to save some extra money. In the ever-evolving digital world, securing your online presence has become more crucial than ever. With cyber threats lurking at every corner and privacy concerns growing, virtual private networks, or VPNs, have risen as an essential tool for safeguarding internet users. But what exactly can you use a VPN for, and why is it worth considering in 2024? Let's explore the biggest benefits of using a VPN this year. Number one, enhance your online security and privacy. The core function of a VPN is to provide robust online security and privacy. By creating an encrypted tunnel for your internet traffic, VPNs shield your data from cyber criminals, nosy internet service providers, and even government surveillance. This encryption ensures that your sensitive information, like passwords and personal data, remains out of reach from prying eyes. Moreover, a VPN masks your IP address, making your online actions virtually untraceable and enhancing your anonymity on the web. Number two, break through geo-restrictions and censorship. Ever bumped into an annoying content not available in your region message while streaming or browsing? A VPN can help you bypass these geo-restrictions, allowing you to access content from around the globe. Whether it's a Netflix series that's exclusive to a certain country or a news site blocked in your region, a VPN changes your virtual location, giving you freedom to roam the digital world without borders. Number three, avoid internet service provider throttling and improve connection speeds. Many internet service providers throttle bandwidth based on your internet activities, such as streaming high-definition videos or downloading large files. A VPN hides your internet traffic, which prevents ISPs from seeing what you're doing online and subsequently slowing down your connection. This means smoother streaming, faster downloads, and overall better internet performance, especially when you're indulging in data-heavy activities. Number four, save money on online purchases and subscriptions. Did you know that a VPN can also be a tool for savvy shoppers? Online platforms often adjust prices based on your location, browsing history, and even the device that you're using. By switching your IP address, you can avoid these dynamic pricing strategies. This is particularly useful for booking flights and hotels where prices can vary significantly from one country to another. Furthermore, you might discover cheaper subscription rates for services like streaming platforms and software when accessing them from different geographic locations. Number five, secure your devices on public Wi-Fi. Using public Wi-Fi can be risky as these networks are prime targets for hackers looking to steal data. A VPN secures your connection on public Wi-Fi by encrypting your data, thus protecting you from potential cyber threats like man-in-the-middle attacks and data theft. This is crucial when you're accessing sensitive information, such as bank accounts or confidential emails, while connected to a public network. Number six, enhance your online gaming experience. For gamers, a VPN not only helps in reducing ping and latency for a smoother gaming experience, but also protects against DDoS attacks, which are common in competitive gaming scenes. By hiding your real IP address, a VPN ensures that potential attackers cannot target your network, allowing you to play without interruption. Now moving into our recommendations. As we navigate the complexities of online security and digital privacy in 2024, selecting the right VPN service becomes essential. Here are three top VPN choices, each offering unique benefits and exclusive discounts to enhance your online experience securely. First up, we have NordVPN. NordVPN is renowned for its robust security measures and high-speed performance, making it an excellent choice for both personal and business use. Here's why NordVPN stands out. Advanced security features. NordVPN uses state-of-the-art encryption and offers a no-log policy, ensuring your data remains private and secure. The service includes an automatic kill switch that cuts your internet connection if the VPN drops, protecting your data from accidental exposure. User-friendly interface. Available on Windows, Mac OS, iOS, and Android, NordVPN offers a seamless user experience across your devices. The app allows easy switching between servers, including specialty servers for added privacy and performance enhancements like double VPN and peer-to-peer support. Speed and reliability. NordVPN provides consistent high speeds, minimizing the usual slowdowns associated with VPN usage. This makes it ideal for streaming, gaming, and large downloads, ensuring you can enjoy a fast internet connection without sacrificing security. Additional features. Features such as dark web monitoring alert you to potential threats associated with your email account, while MeshNet allows secure connections directly between devices over the internet. Pricing and discounts. NordVPN's pricing is competitive, offering various plans to suit different needs. The 2-year plan is particularly cost-effective at $339 per month. Plus, all plans come with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try the service risk-free. NordVPN is not just a tool for enhancing online security, it's an investment in comprehensive digital safety and freedom. So whether you're looking to protect sensitive business data or ensure your personal browsing is private and secure, NordVPN offers a reliable solution. Check out the special offer and dive into the world of secure browsing with NordVPN and enjoy an exclusive discount. You can get started today by clicking the link down in the description and experience robust protection and swift internet access. When you click that link down in the description, it'll bring you to this page here, and you can get 4 months extra when you sign up through this link. Just go ahead and click on Get the Deal, and that'll bring you to this page here, and you can get 4 months extra for free on any plan that you choose. Just select your plan, and at checkout, you'll see that you're going to go ahead and get those 4 months extra for free. Next on our list of recommendations is ExpressVPN. ExpressVPN is celebrated for its exceptional performance and broad server network, making it an excellent option for those needing speed and accessibility. Here's why ExpressVPN is a prime choice for your VPN. It has extensive server network. With servers in over 100 countries, ExpressVPN ensures that you can always find a reliable and fast connection, no matter where you are or where you need to appear to be. This extensive network is perfect for those who travel frequently or live in regions with restricted content. Superior security. ExpressVPN uses AES 256 encryption, the same standard adopted by governments and security experts worldwide. This top-level security protects your data and privacy from intrusions and prying eyes. User-friendly experience. Setting up ExpressVPN is straightforward across all devices, including smartphones, desktops, and even routers. The user interface is clean and intuitive, making it easy for even VPN novices to navigate and control their online security. Impressive speeds for streaming and torrenting. So whether you're streaming your favorite shows on Netflix or downloading large files via peer-to-peer, ExpressVPN offers impressive speeds that minimize lag and buffering. Its servers are optimized for various online activities, ensuring a smooth and fast experience. Robust privacy protections. ExpressVPN's strict no-logs policy guarantees that your online activities remain private and unrecorded. Additional features like an automatic kill switch and DNS leak protection further secure your online presence against any vulnerabilities. Reliable customer support. With 24/7 live chat, extensive online resources, and email support, ExpressVPN ensures that you have access to help whenever you need it. Pricing and special offer. ExpressVPN provides several pricing options to cater to different needs. They have a 12-month plan at $832 a month, a 6-month plan at $999 a month, and a 1-month plan at $1295 a month. All plans come with a 30-day money-back guarantee, offering a risk-free way to test the service. Even better, there's a special deal for our audience where you can get 3 extra months free on a 12-month plan. So make sure to check out the link down in the description. So if you click that link, that'll bring you to this page here, and to get 3 months extra free on a 12-month plan, just click on Get ExpressVPN. Here you can see the 12-month plan comes down to $667 per month with that 3 months free. Just fill out your information here and you're good to go. ExpressVPN stands as a high-performance, secure, and user-friendly VPN solution that caters to a wide array of needs, from casual browsing to heavy-duty streaming and downloading. So whether you're prioritizing sacrificing privacy, speed, or ease of use, ExpressVPN provides a comprehensive service that excels in all areas. SurfSharkVPN. Surfshark has rapidly emerged as a leading VPN provider, renowned for its impressive blend of security, performance, and user-friendly features. Here's why Surfshark might be the perfect VPN for you in 2024. Extensive device coverage. One of Surfshark's standout features is its ability to support unlimited devices on a single subscription. So whether it's your smartphone, laptop, gaming console, or even your router, Surfshark ensures that all your devices are protected. Advanced security technologies. With features like Clean Web, Surfshark blocks ads, trackers, malware, and phishing attempts, providing a cleaner and safer online experience. The VPN uses industry-leading AES 256 GCM encryption and supports secure protocols like WireGuard, IPv2, and OpenVPN. Innovative features. Surfshark's Nexus technology connects all its VPN servers to a single global network, enhancing your security, privacy, and stability online. Additional features like the camouflage mode ensure that even your ISP can't tell that you're using a VPN, while the no borders mode allows you to use the service effectively in restrictive regions. Privacy and anonymity. Surfshark has a strict no-logs policy, ensuring that your activities are not monitored, tracked, or stored. The VPN also offers a kill switch and private DNS and leak protection to safeguard your data from any accidental exposure. User-friendly interface. Despite its robust features, Surfshark is easy to use with intuitive apps for all major platforms and configurations. This makes it accessible for both tech-savvy users and those who are new to VPNs. Global server network. With RAM-only servers in over 100 countries, Surfshark allows you to browse as if you were at home, no matter where you travel, ensuring fast and stable connections worldwide. Pricing and special offer. Surfshark offers competitive pricing with the flexibility to choose from different plans. You can choose from a 12-month plan at $3.99 per month, a 24-month plan from $2.49 a month. Additionally, for those who use the link down in the description, Surfshark is offering an exclusive deal where you can get 3 extra months for free on a 12 or 24-month plan. This makes it not only affordable, but also a highly cost-effective VPN solution. If you want to take advantage of that deal from Surfshark, just click the link down in the description and that'll bring you to this page here. Just go ahead and click on Get Surfshark. And from here, you can see that on any plan, whether that be under the 24-month commitment or the 12-month commitment, you're going to go ahead and get 3 extra months free. Just go ahead and select your plan. And at checkout, you will see that you'll get those 3 months extra. Again, use the link down in the description to get this deal. So VPNs in 2024, essential for digital freedom and security. From enhancing your online privacy and security to saving money and bypassing censorship, the benefits of using a VPN in 2024 are vast and varied. Whether you're a casual internet user, a global traveler, or a dedicated gamer, a VPN offers a layer of protection and freedom that is becoming indispensable in our digital age. As we continue to navigate through the complexities of the internet, a reliable VPN remains a vital tool for a safer and more open online experience. So, if you're ready to enhance your browsing experience with any of these VPNs that we talked about today, be sure to check out the links down in the video description. Using these links not only supports our channel, but gets you a sweet discount as well. And this allows us to continue creating free, informative videos just like this one. So if you do use those links and you secure your deal, we thank you so much in advance for your support. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to the channel for more content on VPN cybersecurity, comparison videos, and tutorials to help keep you safe online. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.